Hey guys, this is Mrs. Larson. I'm here today to do a little bit of a walkthrough with the shared reading, just a refresher of how to do it. And I want to show you a few things to do that you are assigned to do for today. You have 2 assignments due today, and we'll talk about it. As you probably can hear, there's some background noise since I'm doing this from home. My little kiddos are playing behind me. So I hope that this comes through pretty clear. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so we are going to be doing the shared reading. So today you will read or listen to the text, Forests on Fire. This is going to be found under the Wonders website on the read section. You're going to work on comprehension skills and you're going to complete 2 assignments. One of those assignments is answering the inquiry question on Teams about this text, Forest on Fire, and the other one is to complete an online mini lesson on wonders. Okay, so to get to your shared read, we've all seen this page before, we know what to do. We're going to go ahead and click right there on that read button, and the 2 squares will pop up, and it shows the shared read and your weekly leveled reader. So of course, this is not the books that we're reading this time, but you get the idea. You're going to go ahead and click on that shared read text, Forest on Fire, and then the text will pop up and you'll see it like this. There's 2 ways to use the shared reading. You can read the text to yourself or out loud, or you can listen to the text. To listen to the text, you will click on the speaker buttons. When you click on the speaker buttons, it will read it to you. Of course, I recommend reading it on your own, but if you need to listen, go ahead and do that. After completing this reading, you will need to go onto Teams and answer the inquiry question. So the inquiry question is going to be Forest on Fire. How do changes in the environment and technology affect living things? This is the same question you answered for your text with the read aloud that Miss Clark did yesterday. So I just need you to go ahead and do the same question, but not for the text yesterday, for the text today. Next, we're going to do our comprehension skill. So our comprehension skill today is going to be comparing and contrasting. You're going to get back to this website and click on the to-do section. You will find this assignment labeled as compare and contrast. You're going to read through every page, follow the directions, and complete your turn assignment at the end. These questions here, how can comparing and contrasting help you understand expository text? This will give you the answer to that question. This is just a question and then reading to understand it. There's a total, it looks of 8 pages for this section. This is what the Your Turn looks like at the very end. To use the Your Turn, you're going to use this text button down here. You'll click on the text button and it'll allow you to type in each of the squares. You might have to make the 2 different boxes, or 3 if you want to do both also. You're going to reread the passages, highlight the ways that humans affect wildfires, use the type tool to compare and contrast these details in this graphic organizer, and then you'll look at all this stuff. This will help you rereading that text and giving you the answers. After you do this, you will save the text. You can save here. There's also a save button here. And after you've saved, you can exit out and turn in your assignment. All right, so that's all you have to do today for this. You are going to do 2 assignments. You're going to answer the inquiry question on Teams. The inquiry question is, once again, Forest on Fire. How do changes in the environment and technology affect living things? Complete the compare and contrast lesson on wonders. This is going to be found under the to-do section. After you finish those 2, you're done and done.